We are back in the Micromark workshop. Today in front of me and in front of you are our soldering tweezers that act as third hands when soldering. Simple design, but extremely useful. Both of these sets of tweezers, the 85151 and the 88576 double tweezer. Self-closing. All of the tweezers are serrated so that they have sure grips. They do come with heat-resistant handles on each of the sets. They can be used laying like that. They can be used laying vertically, where the slot's vertical. However you need to do it. They're great and excellent to have a wire come through and you're in the middle of soldering it and tinning it or attaching it to another unit or another wire. The single's been around for a long time. The double has just been introduced this past spring, so that you can have wires coming in from each direction so that they're touching in the middle and you can easily solder them together. So we have the double and the single soldering tweezers to aid in all of your soldering projects. Serrations on both sides, firm grip, great closing power. Nothing's going to move on you while you use this tool and you're soldering the wires together. So the double came in handy. You'll find it handy on your workbench as well. The single, the old style, still has plenty of uses as itself as an individual soldering aid. These bars that they're welded to can be manipulated for whatever angle, closeness, spread that you need. You would simply grab it, spread it out if you needed it bigger that way for a bigger gap in between, or you can take it and twist it that way to get them closer together. So you can manipulate them as you need to for your needs.